In today's video, I'll show you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Shopee in just a few minutes. Whether you're launching a new store or managing an existing one, linking these platforms helps automate order fulfillment and improves overall efficiency. To get started, log in to your CJ Dropshipping account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the CJ Dropshipping website and complete the registration first. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard, which is where all your dropshipping tools and settings are managed. From the dashboard, locate the authorization section. This area is used to connect CJ Dropshipping with external e-commerce platforms. Click on Authorization and you'll see a list of supported stores. Next, look for Shopee and select the option to connect your store. You'll be redirected to Shopee's login page. Enter your Shopee account, email and password to continue. After logging in, Shopee will ask you to approve access for CJ Dropshipping. Review the permissions carefully, then confirm the authorization. This step allows CJ Dropshipping to sync products, manage inventory, and automate order fulfillment for your Shopee store. Once the authorization is confirmed, your Shopee store will be successfully connected to CJ Dropshipping. You can verify the connection status back in the authorization section of your CJ dashboard. And that's it. You've now linked CJ Dropshipping to Shopee, making it easier to import products, process orders, and manage your store efficiently. Thanks for watching and happy selling.